I was diagnosed with sleep apnea, and after 2 failed attempts of using a CPAP machine, my pulmonary doctor asked me would I be willing to try a different approach. And I said, well, what is it? And he explained to me the mouth appliance. And I said, would I be willing to try? And I said, sure. What do I have to lose? I'm not sleeping now, right? So he set me up with an appointment with the Michigan Dental Sleep Center with Dr. Williamson, and that brought me in, and that started the journey for me. I'm a computer programmer, and I need to have my alertness and energy during the day, because if I get tired in the afternoon and I can't code, I'm in trouble. So not being able to sleep, going to work, going out to my car and falling asleep on my lunch breaks, it was starting to be a real pain. And so my life was, it was draining. It was draining. I didn't want to do anything with my wife. She wanted to go out on Friday nights. I just wanted to stay home. On the weekends, I didn't want to work around the yard. I had no energy. I didn't have a lot of hope at that point, because after failing with the CPAP machine and not being able to sleep, as soon as I walked in, though, Dr. Williamson was full of passion. And I knew right away, I'm like, well, if anybody's going to help me, he will. And I could tell right off the bat he cared about his patients, and he cared about this practice here and what it was going to do for me. So I started to gain some hope just talking to him and believing that he cared about me and believing that this mouthpiece would help me. Well, they're not calling me Mr. Grumpy anymore, I'll tell you that. So it's great. I'm meeting my wife after this. We're going out on a date, and so it's really helped out a lot. I'm going from 2 to 3 hours a night to now about 5 or 6 hours a night. I have energy during the day. I'm not sleepy during the day. I'm actually taking on extra assignments at work. So it's completely changed my life. I say give it a shot and let Dr. Williamson's passion and his thoroughness show you that this mouthpiece will work, because it's worked for me.